Turn any YouTube or TikTok video into a polished LinkedIn post. Just paste the link, and Dynal.AI does the rest. One thing never changes. The first step is always to click Connect LinkedIn to make sure your LinkedIn account is successfully linked to Dynal.AI. Next, turning a YouTube video into a LinkedIn post takes just 3 simple steps. Copy the video link. Click Add Source. Then choose Add Website from the drop-down list. You can also directly select URL to post below. Enter your prompt and choose how many images you'd like to generate. That's it, everything is set up. With just one click, let your LinkedIn agent get to work. Dynal.AI is your personal LinkedIn creation agent. It understands your ideas, processes your content's logic, and acts automatically, turning inspiration into impactful posts. As you can see, our LinkedIn post is ready in moments. Need changes? Simply click Edit on the image to tweak the post until it's perfect. And that's it, your post is ready to go. Once you're happy with the result, just click Publish. Now your post is live. Before, turning a video into a post could take 30 to 45 minutes. Now, Dynal.AI gets it done in just a few minutes. Whether you're a creator, a founder, or someone building a personal brand, Video Post instantly helps you turn the content you watch every day into influence. Open Dynal.AI and try it out. Subscribe to our channel for more.